Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Make sure you run Windows 7 Ultimate or Enterprise for full MUI support and back up your data or create a restore point now. Once done, open Control Panel, choose Region and Language, then the Keyboards and Languages tab. Click Install/Uninstall Languages and select Search Windows Update to find language packs. You move quickly here to fetch the correct MUI. This avoids manual packages and mismatched versions later. Once the language pack appears in Windows Update, select it and start the download. Note sizes vary, so be patient. During installation, follow prompts and accept any required components. Service Pack 1 is often required, so make sure updates are current. You'll also want to install matching keyboard layouts from the Keyboards and Languages pane, since input methods don't switch automatically. If installation stalls, check disk space and update status. Then retry the package installation to complete the middle steps. To finish, return to Keyboards and Languages and select the newly installed display language as default, then apply changes. You must log off or restart for all elements to switch. Once you sign back in, verify menus and control panel are in the chosen language. If some strings remain in the old language, make sure the correct pack version was installed. If problems persist, use System Restore to revert, then reinstall the language pack carefully to resolve conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.